This is the Urbanized vest. I'm just going to show you today how to pop it on, give you a little demonstration of a few key features. First of all, pop it over the head, nice and lightweight and durable. Obviously, we're all different shapes and sizes, so you've got your adjusting on the side here, which is just simply like a backpack, and you just pull and tighten it like so. She says, making it look quite difficult, which it's really not. There we go, nice and snug. So as we were saying earlier, while we were adjusting, it is simply as easy as that. She's done it a lot better this time. Brilliant. So next up, we've got pockets. At the moment, I do have the remote for the vest in here, but I'll get back to that later and I'll show you the key features on that one. So you can pop key in here, lip gloss, lip balm, coins, if you pop into the shop on your run. Then we've got the front pocket here for your phone if you don't want it jigging around in your pockets while you're running, because that's a hell of a lot more secure, and there's a zip obviously. And then we've got the zip pocket here, again, anything you wish that you can pop in there really. And then we have reflective material. The piping on the sides is a hell of a lot more reflective in the evening if you are running sort of at a later time of day. And then we've got the front camera and the back camera. I've just taken the camera out of the mold here just to show you that this is what the camera looks like while it's not inside the vest. And on the side here, we have the on button, which you literally just have to hold down for a couple of seconds and it should make a noise like so. The blue light will come on when the camera is on. And then if you select the record button on the other side and press that, the blue light will flash and then you are recording. It is literally as simple as that. If I want to pop it in the mold, which is nice and secure and very easy to do. And inside the mold here, as you can see, we've got record button and on and off button, which is easily accessible if you wanted to pause while you are running. And the whole thing is exactly the same on the back camera. So as of earlier, when I showed you when I pulled the remote from the top pocket up here, we have another key feature to this vest, and that is the remote, which you can just simply pop onto your wrist, and it has this adjustable toggle to make it nice and secure. Like a normal remote, we've got the features of pause and play. So we can simply, as you can see right now, my camera is flashing. If I press pause, that will stop if I've bumped into somebody on a run who isn't comfortable being recorded. However, as this is for safety, if we wanted to keep recording or wanted to take a still image of someone, we do have the option here that we've got the camera button and we can press that and that will take a snapshot of anything that we need it to.